Now, this is not the first time we've reached our campsite at night. Actually, it happens so often that Mike has become a pro at it. He hooks up the electric, auto level, sewer, water, but this campground did not have sewer, so we did not hook that up. And we didn't bother hooking up the water because we had a half full tank of our fresh water that we were going to use. I did all the laundry before leaving our last campground, so I didn't have to worry about that. And yes, I was able to use the dishwasher once this weekend using that fresh tank. We went 4 days on that freshwater tank, and we ran out the morning of the 4th day. Once we get inside, the kids usually run around a bit to burn off their last bit of energy after sitting in the car. And while they do that, I'll be cleaning up and setting up the beds and just getting everything ready for bedtime because it's already pretty late and we all want to go to bed. Hot, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Should I put shorts on?
I'm gonna die.
So am I. This way. It looks like it's not the rocks.
Good?
A lot better.
Oh, this baby carp fish.
I'll go behind you and make sure it's good.
We'll see. Can you move your pole for a second? Thank you. Yep. That's speed sign. Yes. This is paved. No inflatables in quite yet. Woo!
That's gonna try to come back off. I lost some balance.
Hey guys, big speed bump. This is aggressive too, jeez. Whoa! You totally fudged up your shin, dude.
Yeah, good too.
Oh my gosh! You like filleted it.
Are you okay?
Where did you cut that on?
Spikes on the pedals.
Oh, it's dripping in your...
Going to the sock.
I hope it doesn't get infected or something.
No, I did not know that was a little...
Yeah, be careful.
I can go across. You cut that good.
Oh my gosh, like where do you use that? I don't know, that is like meat.
I was just taking a look at it, but I don't know that I want to.
I don't know what to do.
Just gotta smear the meat back in place. It'll do its thing. Just smear it back into place.
No, I can't.
I was supposed to keep my feet on them, but it didn't.
It's like the meat that's supposed to be down here is up there. Daddy just got out.
We're just gonna let it go. We're gonna go paddle. Come on, we're going. Paddle.
There's a car back there coming up. How's your leg? How's your leg? Laugh. Make sure you look for cars. Going good. Big bump. Clouds are looking dark over there. Portrait studio. That's interesting. So we saved a turtle. Show the turtle.
Turtle. Not touch turtle though.
And it started raining, so we're headed back. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Well, it's raining outside, so we're gonna hang inside for a little bit. Maybe go find somewhere to catch some lunch. Now that it's done raining, we have something super awesome we want to show you, and we want to try it out for the first time. We got this on Amazon, and no, this video is not sponsored, but this is called a pet pack. It's a backpack for your little furry friend. In our case, it's cats. This was under $30 on Amazon, and we decided to go with the color gray because two of our cats are black, and a black backpack with a black cat, and we just figured it might get really hot in there for them, so we went with a lighter color. They do have a bunch of other colors like in different links, but this specific link is just for the gray one.
Did you see the cat? Yeah, I see it. Not much. She's happy? She's not angry. I think she's a little nervous.
Am I walking too?
No, it's not too bad. I think she's just not used to the experience, but she's not hating it.
Cats allowed inside there? Yeah. It's our first time trying it. We're just testing it out. Okay, ready?
Did you want this? My granddaughter gets a kit every month, and she got 2 of these, the exact same. The little like koala kits, but your age group is
yeah.
the instructions and everything are in there.
Koala book.
Yeah, it's like yeah,
Come on, guys. Thank you.
I'm gonna go grab the light.
No, this is for her. She gave that to us.
Oh, I thought she just like did her first felony.
Fly, little butterfly, fly across the bridge. Gotta be one of the most scenic campgrounds, that's for sure. Beautiful little lunch area right there. Really pretty. Oh, pat him. Look, he's running.
Gosh, that thing is so fast.
He's moving. I don't want to be touched by you guys. You want to come see him? You can come see him. Into the water.
In the water.
He's in the water.
Oh, so cool.
Oh, he's under the water.
Closed. 500 feet. Road closed. So 2020.
Power lights held up by a tree.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, Northwoods freaking photography studio. What? This is the closed road. I thought we didn't get to finish yesterday.
Top of this hill will be where we were yesterday.
I was gonna say, this is totally that road.